It's baseball day. I think I'm in the right place. We are heading to Meiji-Jinugu Stadium to see the Swallows, Tokyo Swallows versus Trinity Dragons. And one of the bros from Twitch that I met, Japanese bros, I invited him and he said yeah, so he's keen. I asked Moses, but Moses was unfortunately leaving today and he wasn't keen. And Quinn and Mrs. weren't keen, so this is what we're doing. We're in Shinanomachi. Yes, that's cool. Oh yeah, I'll see you somewhere outside. That's cool. We're pretty much here. This is like the entrance. I don't even know where I am. I'm just gonna make my way down. Hopefully these things are supposed to bloom all month. Now he's wanna bloom. Yeah, Rima, your cherry blossoms. Hopefully we'll see some more in the city, but yeah, there it is. Now I gotta find Meiji-Jinugu Stadium. We got some pretty dope seats, I think. And yeah, see what the baseball game is all about. I'm pretty sure baseball is probably one of the biggest sports here, right? Along with sumo and stuff. So we ready? Let's go. I don't know if we're allowed to, but just watching some like minor league stuff. Yeah, it looks pretty cool around here. But yeah, watching them play a little bit before we go into the big one. It's pretty cool. I think I would have done really good at baseball, to be honest. I love the cricket. You never know. I don't even know where I'm at. I thought the stadium was back there, and here I am. I'm not even close to the stadium. Ah, see you in there. Alright then. Yeah, camera. Alright, we're gonna find our seat. Where's your umbrella? Where's your umbrella? Home run, you reckon? Home run? Big home run? So yeah, this was my first ever baseball game ever, like that I've ever seen live. I'd never watched a game before until this day, and now I'm a fan of baseball. But yeah, it was a full stadium, and it was an opening game, so yeah. But yeah, the Japanese really love their baseball, and the atmosphere is a little different to anything I've seen at home, which was pretty sick. But yeah, definitely try to catch a game if you're here. Oh yeah, by the way, this is the hotel, Belmont. I might actually, if I ever come back here, I'm gonna go here. Affordable, and it's actually dope as rooms. Oh yeah. I'm thinking of going to batting cages. It's not too far from here. We'll see. Oh yeah, the Belmont Hotel, bro. I might actually come, if I come back here, I'm coming here. But let's go.